Good morning, students. Yesterday we have discussed the coplanarity of vectors as well as how to obtain the volume of parallelepiped by use of scalar triple product. Okay, now we are going to discuss some more questions related to our scalar triple product, which one is given in your supplementary material topic. Now, example number 27, a question example number આપવામાં લોકોએ મિસ્ટેક કરી છે. તમે જો કન્ટિન્યુઅસ 30 સુધી પેલામાં આપ્યા હોય તો 31 32 આપશો તો બી વાંધો નથી. મેં અત્યારે બુક પ્રમાણે જ આપું છું. એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 27, show that the vector a vector is equals to I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap, vector b minus 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 4k cap, and vector c I cap minus 3j cap plus 5k cap are coplanar. These three vectors are coplanar. First of all, I am taking these three vectors. A vector is 1 minus 2 3, vector b is minus 2 3 minus 4, and vector c, which is equals to 1 minus 3 5 here. Three vectors are given here. If we want to prove these three vectors are coplanar, therefore we have to take the scalar triple product of these three vectors or box product of these three vectors, which must be equals to 0. First of all, find this product and prove that product will be equals to 0. 1 minus 2 3 minus 2 3 minus 4 1 minus 3 5. Okay, simplify this determinant. We are getting 1 5 3s are 15 4 3s are 12 minus 12 minus minus plus 2 minus 10 plus 4 minus 10 plus 4 and plus 3 in the bracket 6 minus 3 here. Simplify this thing. We are getting 15 minus 12 3 minus 6 2s are minus 12 and 3 3s are plus 9. 9 plus 3 12 minus 12, which is equals to 0. Here box product of vector a b and c, which is equals to 0. Therefore we can say that vector a vector b and vector c are coplanar vectors. They are in same plane. Okay, therefore we can say that they are in same plane or coplanar vectors. Okay, you have to do the exercise question number 10, exercise 10.5, question number 1 and 2 in your self practice. સેકન્ડ આના જેવો છે. ફર્સ્ટમાં ખાલી તમારે બોક્સ પ્રોડક્ટ જ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરવાની છે, સ્કેલર ટ્રિપલ પ્રોડક્ટ. નેક્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 28, આમાં બી તમે એક્સરસાઇઝ 10.5 ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 3 સેલ્ફ જાતે આના જેવો સિમિલર છે, જાતે કરવાનું છે. 10 એક્ઝામ્પલ 28 કરાવું છું. ફાઇન્ડ લેમ્ડા if the vectors a bar b bar and c bar are coplanar. Here vector a b and c is given. Vector a equals to 1 3 1, vector b is given lambda 7 3, so vector b is given 2 minus 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 minus 1, and vector c is given, which is equals to lambda 7 3 lambda 7 3. Vector a b and c, three vectors are given. It is given that vector a b and c are coplanar vectors. It is given that they are coplanar vectors. Therefore we can say that the box product of vector a b and c, which is equals to 0. Therefore the determinant of vector a b and c, which is equals to 0, 1 3 1 2 minus 1 minus 1 and lambda 7 3, which is equals to 0 here. Now simplify this determinant. We are getting 1 into minus 3 plus 7 minus 3 plus 7 minus 3 into 2 3s are 6 plus lambda, 6 plus lambda, and last one plus 1 into plus 1 into, we are getting 2 7 the 14 plus lambda, 14 plus lambda, which is equals to 0 here. Okay, now simplify this thing, we are getting minus 3 plus 7, 4, 6 minus 18 minus 3 lambda plus 14 plus lambda, which is equals to 0 here. Minus 3 lambda plus lambda means minus 2 lambda. 4 minus 18 plus 14, this one is minus 14 plus 14, which is equals to 0 here. Therefore, we are getting lambda equals to 0. The value of lambda in this case, which is equals to 0 here. તો આ રીતે તમને લેમ્બડા ની વેલ્યુ ઓબ્ટેન થશે. આના જેવો સિમિલર ક્વેશ્ચન તમારે કરવાનું છે એક્સરસાઇઝ 10.5 ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 3 તમારે જાતે કરવાનું છે. Now the next question, exercise 10.5 question number 5 and example 29, both are same type of question. I am doing example number 29 here. You have to do exercise 10.5 question number 5 in your self practice. Show that the 4 points A, B, C and D with position vectors. Position vector of A is given 4, 5, 1. Position vector of B is given minus of I nothing, J plus K. That means minus J minus K is given. Under minus multiply kar do. So that minus J minus K. That means 0 minus 1 1. So the position vector write down karu chu. So the A, which denoted as 4 5 1. Okay. Coordinates lakho to bhi chale. OA vector equals to 4 5 1 lakho to bhi chale. Same way, B point is given here 0 minus 1 minus 1. C point also given here. C point is 3 9 4 and B point given here minus 4 under multiply karjo 4 and 4. Okay, we have to prove that these 4 points are in single plane or are coplanar. Okay, these points are coplanar, मतलब एक ज प्लेन में છે એવું પ્રૂવ કરવું છે. તો કોઈ એક પોઈન્ટ ને ઇનિશિયેટ પોઈન્ટ કરી દો અને એ સપોઝ એ પોઈન્ટ છે AB AC અને AD, આ ત્રણ વેક્ટર્સ થઈ ગયા ને ત્રણ વેક્ટર્સ ની સ્કેલર ટ્રિપલ પ્રોડક્ટ એટલે કે બોક્સ પ્રોડક્ટ 0 પ્રૂવ કરતો. therefore we can say that AB vector, AC vector and AD vectors are coplanar vectors. If they are coplanar vectors, then we can say that ABCD 4 points are coplanar. First of all, find the vector AB. So what is vector AB? So here vector AB is 0 minus 4 minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 minus 6 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So the next AC vector, which is equals to AC vector C minus A minus 1 9 minus 4 5 4 4 minus 1 3, same as AD vector D minus A minus 4 minus 4 minus 8 minus 1 and 4 minus 1 3 here. Okay, AB, AC and AD vectors are here. Now we have to find the box product of vector AB, AC and AD, which is equals to determinant of minus 4 minus 6 minus 2 minus 1 4 3 and minus 8 minus 1 3. Now simplify this determinant, we are getting so minus 4 into, in the bracket we are getting 4 3 that 12 plus 3 plus 6 minus minus plus 6 minus 3 plus 24 and minus 2 into minus 2 into minus minus plus 1 and plus 8 4 ja 32. Simplify this thing. 12 plus 3 15 4 ja minus 16. 24 minus 3 21 21 6 ja 21 6 ja so say 126 21 6 are 126, and 32 plus 1 33 2s are minus 66. Now see here, minus 66 minus 60 means minus 126 plus 126, which is equals to 0. So here vector AB, vector AC and vector AD, the box product or scalar triple product of these three vectors equals to 0. Therefore, we can say that A, B, C and D are coplanar points. They are coplanar points here. Here are coplanar points. Clear? Next to exercise 10.5, question number 6, related to this topic also. Find the value of x such that the 4 points A 3 2 1, B 4 x 5 and C 4 2 minus 2, D 6 5 minus 1 are coplanar. Here 4 points are given, they are coplanar. Therefore, we can say that the scalar triple product AB, AC and AD, which is equals to 0 here. So first of all, we are obtaining the vector AB. So what is vector AB? So D bar minus A bar, which we calculated by 4 minus 3, 1 x minus 2, next 5 minus 1 4. AC, vector AC, C bar minus A bar, 1 0 and minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Same way AD vector D bar minus A bar, 6 minus 3 3, 5 minus 2 3 and minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Now it is given that A, B, C and D are coplanar. They are coplanar points. Therefore, we can say that the scalar triple product of vector AB, AC and AD, which is equals to 0 here. So the scalar triple product of this, which can be calculated by use of determinant, which is equals to 0. Determinant 1 x minus 2 4 1 0 minus 3 3 3 minus 2. Okay. તમે ગમે તે સિક્વન્સમાં લખશો કોઈ વાંધો નહીં આવે, રીઝન શું છે રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ પર 0 છે એટલે કોઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ નથી. ચલો સિમ્પ્લિફાઈ this determinant, we are getting 1 0 plus 3 3s are 9 minus of x minus 2 in the bracket we are getting minus 2 minus minus plus 3 3s are 9 here and plus 4 in the bracket we are getting 3 minus 0, which is equals to 0. Simplify this thing. 9 minus 7 into x minus 2 plus 4 3s are 12 equals to 0. Therefore, we are getting 9 minus 7x plus 14 plus 12, which is equals to 0 here. 14 plus 12, 26 plus 9, 35. Therefore, we are getting 7x is equals to 35. Therefore, x is equals to 7 5s are 35. Therefore, value of x, which is equals to 5 here. So, the next value 5 meters. Clear? Now, we are going to discuss next question. Exercise 10.5, question number 4. Let vector A is given I cap plus j cap plus k cap. B vector is only I cap and C vector is given C1 I cap plus C2 j cap plus C3 k cap. Then first A. If C1 equals to 1, C2 equals to 2, then find C3, which makes A bar, B bar and C bar coplanar. Second option. If C2 equals to minus 1 and C3 equals to 1, then show that no value of C1 can make A bar, B bar and C bar coplanar. So first of all, I am going with the first option A. Option A, C1 equals to 1 and C2 equals to and C2 equals to 2. Okay. Therefore, we can write down first A bar, B bar and C bar here. So now vector A here 1, 1, 1. Vector B is equals to 1, 0, 0 and vector C equals to C1 means 1, C2 means 2 and C3 as it is. Okay. Now it is given that A bar, B bar and C bar are coplanar. Now A bar, B bar and C bar are coplanar. They are coplanar. Therefore we can say that the box product or scalar triple product of these three vector equals to 0. Now box product of these three vector we are getting 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, C3 which is equals to 0. Now see here in R2 there are number of zeros, maximum number of zeros, therefore I can expand this determinant by use of R2 also. R2 નો યુઝ કરીને બી expand કરી શકો છો. તમે R1 નો યુઝ કરીને બી કરો તો બી વાંધો નથી. ચલો હું R1 નો યુઝ કરીને કરું છું. So the 1 in the bracket we are getting 0 minus 0 minus 1 in the bracket C3 minus 0 and plus 1 in the bracket plus 1 in the bracket 2 minus 0, 2 minus 0 which is equals to 0. Simplify this thing. This is 0. This one is minus C3 plus 2 which is equals to 0. Therefore I will get the value of C3 which is equals to 2. આપણે first case માં C3 ની જે value calculate કરવાની હતી એ calculate થઈ ગઈ અને value કેટલી આવી? C3 equals to 2 here. Now we are going to discuss our case number B. So second case B. In second case C2 equals to minus 1 and C3 equals to 1 here. Okay. Now vector A as it is. So what is vector A? 1, 1, 1. Vector B also as it is. Vector B equals to 1, 0, 0. And what is vector C? So vector C is equals to C1 as it is. We have to calculate the value of C1, C2 minus 1 and C3 plus 1 here. Now it is given that A bar, B bar and C bar are coplanar. Okay. Then find the value of C1. But here it is given that no value of C1 exists for making these three vectors coplanar. First of all take they are coplanar and then find the value of C1. If it is exist then they are coplanar. If it is not exist then they are not coplanar for the any value of C1. Okay. So A bar, B bar and C bar are coplanar. Therefore I will take A bar, B bar, C bar. The box product equals to 0. Now what is the box product? Here 1, 1, 1. 1, 0, 0, C1 minus 1, 1 which is equals to 0 here. I am also expanding by use of first row 0 minus 1 in the bracket 1 minus 0 and plus 1 in the bracket minus 1 plus 0 which is equals to 0 here. Okay. And right hand side 0. Simplify this thing. This one is 0. This one is minus 1. This one is minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore we can say that minus 2 equals to 0. Here it is given that minus 2 is equals to 0. Is it possible? No. It is not possible. No. It is not possible. Okay. આ કોઈ દિવસ possible જ નથી. चलो -2 = 0 થવાનું જ નથી. તમે ગમે તે c ની વેલ્યુ પુટ કરશો તો આ તો i નું ગુડ થઈ જશે. એટલે -2 = 0 તો it is not possible. Therefore the value of c does not exist. The value of c1 is not exist, or we can say that there is no value of C1, no value of C1 for A bar, B bar and C bar for A bar, B bar and C bar are coplanar. આ ત્રણ વેક્ટર કોપ્લેનર થાય એવી કોઈ C1 ની વેલ્યુ પોસિબલ નથી. સપોઝ એવું હોય કે 0 equals to 0, 1 equals to 1, 2 equals to 2, then it is always true. That it is always true. એક કેસમાં શું લખો તો it is always true. It is always true. Therefore, the value of C1 be any real number. C1 ની કોઈ બી વેલ્યુ લઈ શકાય. We can take C1 belongs to R. Here solution set of C1 is null set. આ કેસમાં null set છે. But here 0 equals to 0, 2 equals to 2, 5 equals to 5 prove થાય. Then we can say that C1 belongs to R. That means we can take any real value of C1 and એનો જે solution set થાય તે આખો R થાય. Infinite values possible થાય. Clear? તો આવા કેસમાં તમારે આ ખાસ ધ્યાન રાખવાનું. આ બહુ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ટોપિક હતો. આ લોજિક ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે એટલે હું આ ક્વેશ્ચનને ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ક્વેશ્ચનમાં મૂકી દઉં છું. ક્લિયર? તો ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ક્વેશ્ચનના લિસ્ટમાં આને રાઇટ ડાઉન કરીને લખજો. હવે જે બીજો એક ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન છે એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 30. જે એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 30 છે એના જેવો જ ક્વેશ્ચન સેમ ટાઈપનો ક્વેશ્ચન એક્સરસાઇઝ 10.5 એનો ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 7 છે. એટલે એક્ઝામ્પલ 30 માં બહુ ધ્યાન રાખજો તો તમને ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 7 આવડી જશે. પ્રૂવ ધેટ the box product of A bar plus B bar, B bar plus C bar and C bar plus A bar equals to 2 times box product of A bar, B bar and C bar is equals to 2 times box product of A bar, B bar and C bar. We have to prove this. Okay? This is most IMP question. આ ચેપ્ટર માં જે પૂછવા જો prove that નો સમ હોય તો આવા સમ છે. ધ્યાન રાખજો આ ક્વેશ્ચન અને ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 7 બંને ક્વેશ્ચન સેમ ટાઈપના છે. Prove that box product of A bar plus B bar, B bar plus C bar and C bar plus A bar equals to 2 times box product of A bar, B bar, C bar. So, left hand side से start करिए because left hand side is bigger than the right hand side. Start with left hand side which is equals to A bar box product of A bar plus B bar, B bar plus C bar and C bar plus A bar. Now we know that box product can be written as dot cross but bracket in your cross portion. Okay, dot cross. चलो कोनी dot आ बनने एक જ ગણવાનો. ઓકે, A bar plus B bar dot હવે જો આ બ્રેકેટ નથી કરતો કારણ કે એ બ્રેકેટ આપણે યુઝ કરીએ છીએ તો કર્લી બ્રેકેટ યુઝ કરું છું. સેકન્ડ, this cross product of these two vectors B bar plus C bar cross C bar plus A bar which is here. Clear? So dot cross આ વેક્ટર ની આ બેને ક્રોસ પ્રોડક્ટ સાથે ડોટ લેવાનો. તો A bar plus B bar dot B bar plus C bar cross C bar plus A bar. Now expand this. Therefore we are getting A bar plus B bar dot so B bar cross C bar sequence ध्यान रखो cross product में sequence interchange ना થાય. So B bar cross C bar plus B bar cross A bar same as plus C bar cross C bar cross C bar and plus C bar cross A bar, C bar cross A bar here. Okay? Now see here C bar cross C bar which is equals to 0 vector. Okay? C bar cross C bar which is equals to 0 vector. Therefore we are getting A bar plus B bar dot B bar cross C bar plus B bar cross A bar plus 0 vector plus C bar cross A bar. Okay? Now multiply this thing also here. We are getting A bar dot B bar cross C bar, A bar dot B bar cross A bar, A bar dot 0 तो લખવાની જરૂર નથી. ચલો A bar dot C bar cross A bar આ રીતે લખાશે. ચલો 0 વેક્ટર એડ કરશો તો કોઈ ફરક પડવાનો નથી એટલે A bar dot B bar B bar cross C bar plus B bar cross A bar and plus C bar cross A bar here. Now simplify this thing, we are getting A bar dot B bar cross C bar. A bar dot can be multiplied with 3 terms, same as B bar dot B bar cross C bar plus B bar dot B bar cross A bar, B bar dot B bar, C bar cross A bar. A B is then multiplied. Therefore we are getting A bar dot B bar cross C bar plus A bar dot B bar cross A bar plus A bar dot C bar cross A bar, same as plus B bar dot B bar cross C bar plus B bar dot B bar cross A bar plus B bar dot C bar cross A bar here. Okay? Now, see here, simplification is A bar dot B bar cross A bar. This can be written as scalar triple product A bar B bar C bar. Can be written as scalar triple product A bar B bar C bar. Plus this is also represented as A bar B bar A bar. Sequence आज रखो A bar B bar A bar. Plus this is also written as A bar C bar A bar. A bar C bar A bar. Same as we can also write down B bar C bar. This is written as B bar A bar plus B bar C bar A bar. Now we know that if two rows of any determinant are same, then the value of determinant equals to 0. So any value 0 is same way any value is 0. Same way B bar is 0, therefore it is equals to 0. This is also equals to 0. Therefore we can write A bar B bar C bar, box product of A bar B bar C bar, plus this one is 0, this one is also 0, plus this is 0, plus this is also 0, plus B bar C bar A bar. Now see here, B bar C bar A bar, B bar C bar A bar can be written as A bar B bar C bar. जो B bar C bar A bar आम सीक्वेंस में है तो यहाँ से लगा A bar B bar C bar, A bar B bar C bar. Okay, तो ये सीक्वेंस में लगी शको. Therefore we are getting A bar B bar C bar plus A bar B bar C bar plus A bar B bar C bar. We can write like this. आ लॉजिक आपने सीखी गए. So A bar B bar C bar plus A bar B bar C bar, which is equals to 2 times A bar B bar and C bar here, which is equals to 2 times A bar B bar C bar here. Therefore we can say that it is our right hand side. Hence by use of this property, our property use કરીને આપણે લખી શકીએ. Therefore this can be proved. Okay, આના જેવો જ question number 7 છે એ આપણે જોઈએ આમાં. ચલો આ રાઈટ ડાઉન કરો. Now the second most important question, exercise 10.5, question number 7. Show that the vectors A bar B bar and C bar are coplanar if A bar plus B bar plus C bar and C bar plus A bar are coplanar. So here it is given that A bar plus B bar plus C bar and C bar plus A bar are coplanar vectors. They are given that they are coplanar. If they are coplanar, then we can write the box product or scalar triple product of 3 vectors equals to 0 here. Therefore A bar plus B bar plus C bar and C bar plus A bar, the box product equals to 0. Now simplify this thing, we are getting, so આને આપણે simplify કરશું. Therefore we can write it like this: A bar plus B bar dot B bar plus C bar cross C bar plus A bar, which is equals to 0 here. Now simplify this thing, we are getting A bar plus B bar dot B bar cross C bar plus B bar cross A bar plus C bar cross C bar plus C bar cross A bar which is equals to 0. હમણાં જ કરીએ સ્ટેપ છે એ ફટાફટ કરીશ, થોડું ધ્યાન રાખજો, મારી સાથે રહેજો. A bar plus B bar dot B bar cross C bar plus B bar cross A bar which is equals to 0 vector. Therefore I can't write like this. Okay, अब હું ધ્યાન લખતો નથી, 0 વેક્ટર ને લખવાની જરૂર નથી, which is equals to 0 here. ચલો હવે આને અંદર મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરી દઈએ. Therefore I will get A bar dot B bar cross C bar plus A bar dot B bar cross A bar plus A bar dot plus A bar dot C bar cross A bar, same as plus B bar dot B bar cross C bar plus B bar dot B bar cross A bar and last one plus B bar dot C bar cross A bar which is equals to 0. We can write in box product. Therefore A bar B bar C bar box product plus box product of A bar B bar A bar A bar B bar A bar plus box product of A bar C bar A bar A bar C bar A bar plus box product of B bar B bar C bar B bar B bar C bar plus box product of B bar B bar A bar B bar B bar A bar plus B bar C bar A bar B bar C bar A bar which is equals to 0 here. Now we know that the value of these four are equals to 0. Therefore we can write A bar B bar C bar plus 0 0 0 plus 0 plus B bar C bar A bar equals to 0. We can write A bar B bar C bar, it is equals to A bar B bar C bar. Therefore it is equals to A bar B bar C bar plus A bar B bar C bar which is equals to 0. This is equals to 2 times A bar B bar C bar which is equals to 0. If I am taking 2 on the right hand side, therefore I will get A bar B bar C bar which is equals to 0. Therefore the box product of A bar B bar C bar equals to 0. Therefore we can say that A bar B bar and C bar are coplanar vectors. આ થઈ ગયું તમારું જે પ્રૂવ કરવાનું હતું એ પ્રૂવ થઈ ગયું છે, હેન્સ પ્રૂવ. ઓકે, તો આ ક્વેશ્ચન ફરી એકવાર રિવાઇઝ થઈ ગયો તમારો. તો હમણાં આ ક્વેશ્ચન રેડી થઈ જવું જોઈએ, એક્ઝામમાં પૂછાય તો આવડવો જ જોઈએ. નેક્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન, એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 31. Prove that A bar B bar C bar plus D bar which is equals to A bar B bar C bar plus A bar B bar D bar. So here left hand side is bigger than the right hand side, therefore I will start with left hand side is equals to A bar B bar C bar plus D bar. Now I can write this like this: A bar dot B bar cross C bar plus D bar. Okay, now we can also expand this thing here: B bar cross C bar plus B bar cross D bar. Therefore I will get A bar dot B bar cross C bar plus B bar cross D bar. Now we can also multiply this A bar dot B bar cross C bar plus A bar dot B bar cross D bar. Now see here, dot cross and second cross वाला bracket આપેલો છે. Therefore we can write this is equals to scalar triple product, means box product of A bar B bar C bar plus this is also equals to box product of A bar B bar D bar. This one is your right hand side which is equals to right hand side, hence proved. તો આ રીતે આવી ક્વેશ્ચન પ્રૂવ થાય છે. ચલો, તો આ સાથે આપણે આ ચેપ્ટર કમ્પ્લીટ કર્યું છે. આ ચેપ્ટર કમ્પ્લીટ સમજો, બધું ક્લિયર થઈ ગયું છે? ક્લિયર? તેથી મેં તમને જે એક્ઝામ્પલ જાતે આપે એ જાતે સોલ્વ કરવાના છે. બહુ ઈઝી છે, આવડી જાય એવા છે. ચલો આજનો વિડીયો તમને ગમ્યો હોય તો એક લાઈક આપજો, કોમેન્ટ કરજો અને આપણી આ ચેનલને હજુ સુધી સબસ્ક્રાઇબ ના કરી હોય તો સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરી દેજો. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ.